Today we're going to be making my cheese, bacon and egg stuffed baked potatoes, and I'll show you my secret for getting the perfect runny yolk. Prick the potatoes with a fork and place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees C, that's 400 F, for about 60 to 70 minutes until cooked through. That should give you a fluffy interior with a nice crisp skin. Once those potatoes are cooked, slice the tops off and scoop out the insides, then place in a bowl. Mash the potatoes together with 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add in 100 grams, which is about 1 packed cup, of grated cheddar cheese and some cooked chopped bacon, then stir together. Spoon this mixture into the potatoes and make a well for the eggs with the back of a spoon. I find that when baking eggs in the oven, it's really hard to get the yolk to stay runny. So what I'm going to do here is separate the yolks from the whites, and I'm going to cook the whites for a couple of minutes first and then add in the yolks. Now obviously if you prefer your yolks to be hard, then just add the whites and the yolks in at the same time. Sprinkle on the rest of the cooked bacon before serving. Really hope you like the recipe. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the little bell so you're notified every time we release a new recipe, which is every week. See you later!